Лыгит 5 чини. Лыгит ak dınget. 5 ak. Örtey 5, aktey 5.
It's an art where you need a lot of love and dedications towards this art. Then you are able to sit at a place for months and years to complete a carpet. The carpet weaving was originated in Persia back 2,500 years ago. Then it came to India by the Mughal Emperor Akbar around 600 years back. And the Akbar, when he came to Kashmir and he found the weather and the atmosphere here very pleasant for the carpet weaving. Because the carpet weaving, it's not easy to do. It is a lot of patience, dedications, and love towards this art. A person has to sit at a place for months and years to complete a carpet. Now the Khazir Sons is trying to keep this art alive as much as they can. The reason is the new generations don't have much patience to work on these kind of artifacts. They love to work on gadgets, computers and laptops instead of this.